how to add marker in CapCut PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our CapCut right here and then go on the project wherein we want to add the marker. Now, as you can see, I'm already on this part. Now, what I want to do is to add an image or a video. So let's say, for example, that we're going to use this for our example. Now, in order to add a marker, so if you drag this line right here, if you drag it right here, you can drag it around. Now, in order to add a marker, all you have to do is to click this one right here, add marker. And if you click that, as you can see, we've now added a marker right here. Now, you can also do that by deselecting the image right here and then just click this. You can also add a marker right here if you want to. You can also do that by just clicking the letter M right here. As you can see, I'm clicking the letter M and then the markers right here is being added in the timeline. Now, if I want to edit it, all we have to do is to right click on one of the markers right here and then click edit marker. Once you click edit marker, you can change the name. Let's say, for example, we're going to name this first marker. And then if you want to change the value of the time, you can also just drag it right here. And then, of course, you can also change the color of the marker right here. So you have 5 choices. And if you're done right here, just click done. And then as you can see, we now have edited our marker in CapCut. Now, if you want to remove it, all you have to do is to right click again and then click delete marker. Or if you want to delete all of the markers in the timeline, all you have to do is to click this and then they will be gone. So that is basically it. That is how to add marker in CapCut PC.